Hey Andrew, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today and requesting your custom video. So today we're going to go over a few tips that you guys can apply right away that's going to help you with your online presence and get more of those organic leads. So it is important to note that 70% of your organic leads stem from your website. So it is going to be really important that you have your website fully optimized so you can gain that traffic. As you can see, we are on your website. It looks like you have separate pages for each of your services, which is great. You have a good looking website. We've got a little bit of content with some branding keyword usage. Videos are always nice. They don't help with ranking, but they are nice. Looks like an attempt towards keywords. More branding. Okay. Lots of blog articles. Okay, it looks like you have a pretty big service area. So you're definitely going to need a separate page with unique content for each and every one of these communities that have any type of search volume for the keywords for each of your services in each of those areas. That's going to be pretty critical to be found for your services in each of those communities. Okay. So you do have some content throughout your home page. When it comes to ranking, content is key. Okay, you're mentioning the towns, but these are not pages. So these are going to need pages, as I mentioned. So content. Content is key when it comes to ranking. Google is going to want a minimum of 1,000 to 1,500 words of content throughout your home page. And depending on your competition, you might need even more because you're always going to need more than your competitors in each of your service areas. So Google wants 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your home page, which is 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. And you need to be going after those relative local buyer intent keywords. Those are going to be the keywords people are actively searching for the services that you're offering. So you're going to need to work on your content and keyword strategy. So you're going after those buyer intent keywords. People may not know the name of your company, but they know the service, and those are the keywords they're going to be targeting. Google is actually going to index every single one of these pages with their robots, pulling your original content and keywords so they can index you and get you in front of your customers when they search. This is one of your top competitors, Carolina Water. They're doing a really good job. They have separate pages for each of their services and service areas, all with original content. They're going after those local buyer intent keywords. There's some more local keywords. There's a lot of interlinking throughout their pages, which is necessary for search engine optimization. And they've got just a lot of content throughout their website. So in order to beat these guys and your top competitors in each of your other service areas, you're going to have more content, and you're going to have to drill down on your keyword usage and really work on that. The next part of that's going to be your search engine optimization. Now, this is Ahrefs, which tells how your website is performing. You have a website score of a 9 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which isn't great. And And that is because of your referring domains and backlinks. You have quite a few to have such a low score, which tells us that a lot of these are spammy or unrelated to your industry. While you do need a lot of referring domains and backlinks, you need more than your competitors. They also have to be good quality. They need to be authoritative, do follow, and related to your industry. Looking at your referring domains to do follows, only 58% are actual do follows, so only 58% are actually helping your website. So the others are junky and are diluting your score and not helping you. You have been indexed for over 500 keywords, but you're only generating 157 people to your website. Unfortunately, as far as ranking for the first page at Google, most of your keywords are either branded or are coming from your blogs. So this type of volume to your website actually is not helping you to create sales. While blogs are really good, if they're done correctly, they should be driving the visitors to your service pages so that they can contact you for those services. Your competitor has pretty good score of a 27 with over 1,000 backlinks. They're being indexed for over 1,000 keywords and they're seeing over 1,100 people to their site. So as you can see, you're missing out on a ton of potential volume by not having your website fully optimized. Now, looking at your backlinks, less than half of them are do follows. A lot of these are spammy. What a backlink is, it's when one website links to your website and drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest, but they do have to be do follows. The more relevant these are to your website, the more power it's going to give you, and it will help share that power and boost you in your rankings. It's also important that you're linking these to your keywords, so your keywords can rank and you can be found for your services in each of your service areas. And the last thing is this Google Maps section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 of this section for each of your service areas and your relevant keywords, because 30% of people come directly to the maps and don't go anywhere else. So if you're not in this top 3, you're sending your leads to your competition. In order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are citations, which is the name of a business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of places like Facebook, Yelp, Instagram, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need a lot more of those than your top competitors. And when you follow all of these tips I provided you today, your website can be #1 across Google for all of your relative keywords and service areas for those keywords. And so you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I provided you and apply it yourself, which is completely okay because this is just free education. I just ask that you go ahead and give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. Now, if you do need help getting any of this stuff done, go ahead and give us a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.